First thing I've done here is printed out one of the motorbike designs, the background papers, onto a nice piece of white card. Folded that in half, so I've got my A5 card ready to decorate. On the top of that, I'm actually taken a square of black paper and red paper, which I'm going to mount the main part of the stacking design on. All you've got to do now is stick that down on the front. And then the first part of the motorbike, which looks brilliant, can go over the top of the black and white card, like so. And then taking your stacking sections, just build up the design carefully, lining it up. And finally, on the inside of the card, I've added one of the inserts.